In these days of introspection, tshuva, slicha, rachamim, we ask forgiveness of HaKadosh Baruch Hu for our averos. There is a very important Chassam Sofer that we must know. Chassam Sofer in Parshas Be'ar, and he says, Ki lifa'amim moyil latzadik aveira achas asher asa. Sometimes one aveira that the tzaddik did is beneficial to him, yoiser mikol mitzvoisav asher asa b'nei chayav, more than all the mitzvahs that he performed during his life. An amazing statement. Sometimes says Chassam Sofer, one aveira that a tzaddik did is better for him. He can use it, utilize it better than all the mitzvahs that he did in his life. Why? Says the Chassam Sofer, Shal yedei oiso hachet koine kniya v'shifrus benafshoy, because by that sin a person can acquire being humble, surrendering to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. When one comes to do tshuva, and he says, how was I able to do this? HaKadosh Baruch Hu, Melech Malchei Amlochim. This is embarrassing to me. If one uses the sin in the appropriate manner, he can actually use it in a better way than he would use the mitzvahs. Not that we recommend anyone sitting and trying this, but if we already sin, says the Chassam Sofer, there's a way to use the averos. Look at what you did, look against whom you did it, and you'll be able to utilize the aver in such a great way to become humble, to surrender to HaKadosh Baruch Hu even more so than all the mitzvahs that you performed during your life.